Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2013 Ford Explorer in a limited trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine, providing you with plenty of power for getting around with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions, and freshly detailed, so it's nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking at the back, we have a nice power liftgate that opens up and out of the way for you, revealing your cargo area slash third row seating area, because you do have seating for 6 in this vehicle with their own cup holders and everything in the back. And you have some nice power controls here for all of this. You can stow it, you can make everything flat, so you have a ton of cargo room, and you still have some nice deep storage here and a 12-volt power outlet. And then this closes again with another simple press of a button. And then looking into the second row, where you have seating for 2, you have cup holders in the middle. You have this sort of center console area where you can fold that out, have a little table, and then underneath here you have some deeper storage, so that's nice too. And down here in the middle you have 2 more cup holders with a 12-volt power outlet, 110-volt power outlet, and your rear climate controls. This vehicle does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, and I believe also your power adjustable pedals, steering wheel, and mirrors. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 73,946 kilometers. And moving on to the steering wheel, where you on the right hand side, where you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, as well as your controls for your right screen, where you can control everything from your entertainment, phone, navigation, and climate controls. And then on the left side you have your cruise controls with adjustable gap, and then you have your controls for your left screen here, where you can look at your RPMs with the oil temperature, your four-wheel drive status, and your distance to empty. But then you can also look at your trip 1 and 2 information, your fuel economy properly, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. You'll also have information such as warnings, which there isn't any right now. But then moving on to the left of your steering wheel, here you have your lighting controls, but then you also have your remote hatch release, your tow haul mode, and your parallel park assist, or active park assist I should say. But then moving on to your center screen here, where you have your entertainment controls. So it is radio, Sirius, CD, USB, Bluetooth, SD, and AV capable, so you have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to. In the bottom right you have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. And the top right you have your navigation, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels. And in the top left you have your phone controls. And then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Moving down from your screen you have your hazards, and then your physical, media, and climate controls all kind of here. And then beneath that you have this compartment, which opens to reveal a 12-volt power outlet, 2 USBs, SD, and your AV, so you can hook up your audio or plug something in to power a charge. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. You have 2 cup holders, and then you have your terrain management system here, which is for normal, mud, rut, sand mode, and snow, gravel, grass. So you can customize your driving experience there. And then you have your hill descent assist in the middle there. Then you have your center compartment slash armrest with another 12-volt inside, so you can plug something in there, and just a bunch of room in there. And then last but not least, you do have a twin panel moonroof up top, because it goes all the way back, so that's pretty nice too. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.